Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're looking at the ALDI Solar Novelty Duck water feature. So simply adds sunshine and water. Have you seen my previous video? We had this one, the rock feature video. You could check out the video on constructing that. But this one, there's no running costs, no mains or wiring. Add charm, tranquility to your garden. Bring movement and character to any outdoor space. Remote solar panel for optimum sunlight. Lightweight, self-contained water feature. So this is looking really cute. Really interested in this one. So let's have a look what we got. So we've got our instructions. And we've got our water feature. So that is really cool. A bit smaller than the other one, but it's quite cute. No lights on this one, but looking really good. So we've got a box of accessories. We've got our solar panel and our water pump. So it's just a case of, in the back, we've got our hole and we've got the pipe. We attach the motor to our pipe. There we go. We add the pipe and the motor into the bottom. And this is already wired up. We've got our solar panel. So, if there's an on or off switch, nope. I think all we need is some water. So I'm going to add some water into the back. There we go. And then we've got to wait for the sunshine. So how wonderful. Just quick and easy setup. Just literally putting one pipe onto the motor, finding some sun. Such a simple setup. And if you want to check out this video, I'll add a link to this one in the description. This is the older one that was for sale in ALDI, and this was this year's model. There was also a gold statue as well available this year. These can still be found in ALDI's, so have a look and see if there's one in the gardening section, and that'd be really great. So let me know in the comments, have you got a water solar feature? Let me know, and that'd be really great. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll add a link here to the video of this water fountain.